Welcome back to the second part, and part 3. Part 2 is a brief segment on adding a new device, like the Wi-Fi access point we missed in the previous video. Part 3 covers VLAN configuration in the router. To begin, let's start by adding the Wi-Fi access point. At first, connect the Wi-Fi access point in the network to a Power over Ethernet switch, and let the device boot up. And like in most cases, the device shows up in the network configuration, so we see in the overview from a project. In general, it takes around 2 minutes to synchronize in the network, like we see here in the overview. Let's go back to the topology. When the device is not in the overview, there is the option to add the device manually. Click on Add Device. Then select the device type and click Next. Now enter the serial number from the device and an alias for the device. Click on Finish, and the device is added. As you can see, adding a new device to the existing network is straightforward. Once the Wi-Fi is configured, any additional access point will automatically inherit all settings from the existing one. Now, let's move on to part 3, adding a VLAN. In the topology, we see that all the devices are settled in the correct order of connections. From here, we click on the router icon, and then on Config. On the left menu, we select the LAN option. Here we see the default LAN. To add a VLAN, we click on Add. When setting up a VLAN in a Reyee EG series router, you can also assign its own unique IP range. For that, we use a different IP range for the home VLAN. So, enter the IP range that you would like to use for the VLAN. Then, the ID you would like to use. This ID number is later used in the VLAN ID in the manageable switches. When all is set, click on OK. You can add more VLANs as needed. We also recommend creating a dedicated VLAN for your IoT devices and guests that make use of your Wi-Fi. This helps prevent potential security vulnerabilities that could expose your other devices. So we created 4 VLANs, one for the user at home, a guest IoT, and one for the gamers. The gamers VLAN we can use to give extra priority on the internet connection for faster gaming. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video, where we'll cover adding a VLAN to the manageable switch from Ryee.